The item receipt feature decouples physical inventory arrival from financial obligations, allowing you to update quantity on hand the moment goods are received. This feature keeps your inventory and store perfectly in sync without waiting for a bill or paperwork. You're now able to receive items against a purchase order, without a purchase order, or before a bill is issued. Recording an item receipt automatically adjusts inventory levels, and, if a bill is included, updates your accounts payable and allows you to log goods immediately upon arrival to maintain real-time stock levels, ensuring your books stay accurate even if the financial documentation follows later. In this video, we'll review how to switch from bills to item receipts to quickly update your inventory, create an item receipt, and enter the bill when you receive it from your vendor. To switch from bills and turn on the item receipt feature, head over to Settings, then Account and Settings. Select the Sales tab, find the Products and Services section, and click the pencil icon to edit the settings. From the Inventory Receiving Method drop-down, select Item Receipts. Read the instructions, then select Yes, permanently switch to Confirm. Then select Save. To create an item receipt, go to All Apps, then Inventory, then Item Receipts. Select New Item Receipt. Note, if you are adding it for the first time, select Receive Items. Select a vendor from the drop-down and from the Add Items section, select Add on the purchase order you want to add. Note, if you don't have a purchase order, enter the details manually in the Item Details section. Select Save and Close. To enter the bill when you receive it from your vendor, select Create and then Bill. Select a vendor from the drop-down. From the Suggested Transactions section, select Add to link a purchase order or an item receipt. Note, select the appropriate option in case you see a pop-up for a partially received purchase order. If necessary, change the dates, amounts, or any other details in the bill. Enter the vendor's terms and select Save and Close. The purchase order will be closed only when the bill is created. This can't be undone. The cost of goods sold will come from the item receipt, even if there's a linked bill. Use the item receipt tool when you receive items, but the vendor hasn't sent the bill yet. Or for partial deliveries. If a vendor sends half your order today and the rest next week, you can record exactly what arrived. And finally, anytime you need your inventory asset account to reflect your actual stock levels immediately.